Beautiful, thank you. We are building 1,000 STEM kits for the Beaverton school systems. Really, for us, it was to get kids excited about STEM education. What we have here are bags that students will be able to use, a catapult, pack of markers, deck of cards, a tube to be able to design their own kaleidoscope, magnetic properties, group 10. A lot of times we look towards older children with STEM education, high school age, middle school age, but really we need to gauge their interest and their excitement when they're younger. And so that's what these STEM kits are about, is really getting their creative juices flowing and interested in science and technology and engineering and mathematics at an earlier age.
No peeking! Everybody close your eyes.
Kids are usually excited to receive gifts, and this was a surprise for them, so I'm absolutely certain that they were shocked that they were getting some special gift before they went on to winter break.
This is your rock.
I got a magnet.
Markers.
I think it's super exciting that the kids have an activity to participate in during winter break. They can work on it with their families, with their siblings, with their parents, but I think they'll really enjoy having a connection with school.
No! Oh, it's a magnet.
It makes me feel like the community has our back, and the fact that Analog Devices cared enough to package these materials and give one to every student, and that, I mean, that's a huge, it's a small gesture for them, but a huge deal for the kids to be able to go home with this gift.